design a data injection strategy. Data ingestion strategy. Data ingestion. Introduction. Some information was presented into this. My answers are not correct, so I'm going to try again, because here what I am learning how I am going to give trainings to the model. Because whenever you are going to prepare any model, like if you are working as a data scientist, you need to ingest data, and here what I am selecting is the correct answer for that model. For example, in ChatGPT you are asking some question, so how that ChatGPT is getting data. So this is how data scientists are working. They first ingest the data into that model. For example, I'm taking example of any model, like this is one model that I'm going to prepare, who will be working as an AI in future. So what I'm going to train this model to ingest all the data. So here when I'm going to selecting the answer, so this is not the correct, so that's why it is asking me to select another option. So I'm selecting the try again. So it is asking which storage solution would you recommend to store the data. So here I need to give the correct answer, because if I'm giving the correct answer, then only my model, my training model will give correct answer to the users. I'm hoping that you understand this term. If you have any doubt, you can join this live session with me, or you can comment in the comment section. So what I'm selecting this time is Azure file storage. This is also not correct answer. Let me try again. Azure SQL database, no. This is again not the correct answer. So I'm selecting this time Azure Data Lake. Yes, this is the correct, and I will show you how this is giving the answer for the correct one. And Azure Data Lake will allow us store data as a CSV file and make use of the hierarchical namespace to have more granular control over who has access to what. So this answer will store in my model. So this is how a data scientists are working in the data ingestion. Now I'm selecting next question. So which tool would you recommend we use to move the data? We need to extract data from the patient database and load it into Azure Data Lake. Which tool? So now we shall train machine learning model with either Azure Synapse Analytics, Azure Databricks or Azure Machine Learning. I'll show you what I'm saying. This is how it is working. So this is which tool would you recommend? So ask which tool, select answer. So I will select this Azure Databricks. This is again not the correct one. Okay, let me select Azure Machine Learning. No, it should be Azure Synapse Analytics. Yes, because this analytics sounds like a good fit for us that moment. It allows to set up a secure connection. So I will write down this to my notepad. Azure Synapse Analytics. Created automated pipelines to move data from database to Azure Data Lake. So this is how a data scientist ingests the data. These are the questions for which I am giving the answer. I am hoping this session helps you. So I will come in next Saturday, Sunday again, and will study with you. I will try to come on tomorrow also so that I can prepare for some other topics in this session. Thank you. Bye bye and take care.